Want to get a domain.com coupon code that will get you a domain.com discount, saving you money on your domain.com hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name? Then this video is for you. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your domain.com discount. I've included the domain.com coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from domain.com at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome domain.com discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the domain.com web hosting page. Click the View Plans button or scroll down to the Web Hosting Plans. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Plus, and Premium plan. You'll see the domain.com hosting terms you can choose from are 12, 24, and 36 months. You get the pricing listed here for any of the terms you choose. The Basic plan is a great plan if you're going to have just one site. This plan comes with 10 gigabytes of web storage, 25 FTP accounts, 15,000 website visits per month, free SSL certificate, and a free domain name. If you're going to have multiple sites, the Plus plan is a good plan as it allows 5 websites. The Plus plan comes with 20 gigabytes of web storage, 50 FTP accounts, 50,000 website visits per month, free SSL certificate, and a free domain name like the Basic plan. The Premium plan comes with 10 websites, 40 gigabytes of web storage, 200,000 website visits per month, unlimited FTP accounts, free SSL certificate, and a free domain name like the Basic and Plus plan. Click the Buy Now button on the plan you'd like to go with. For this tutorial, I'll choose the Basic plan. You'll see this product requires a domain name purchase. Something to keep in mind, the domain name is completely free by using the domain.com coupon code discount we've provided in the description with the link. You can type in the domain name that you'd like to have, click the Continue button. If your domain name is available, you'll see the Congrats, your domain is available. Scroll down and under Shopping Cart, you'll see where you can change the term for your web hosting plan if you need to. You'll see the domain purchase. You can change the term for the domain name if you'd like. Something to keep in mind is that the domain.com coupon code we will enter at the end of the checkout process that will get you a free domain name. You will see domain privacy and the cost for a year. I do recommend domain privacy. If you want to remove it, you can click the X button to remove it. Click the Continue button to proceed. You'll now see Domain Add-ons. All these add-ons are completely optional and up to you whether you want any of them or not. Next, scroll up to the top and click the Proceed to Billing button. Next, enter your billing information in. Where you see you have a discount code, enter the discount code I provided below in the description next to the link. Click Apply. You'll see success, your discount has been applied. If you scroll up, you'll see your domain name purchase now shows free. Scroll down and enter your account information. Next, enter your payment details in. Once done, scroll up, click the Purchase Now button. You've now successfully taken advantage of the domain.com coupon code discount, saving you money on your web hosting, plus get you a free domain name. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more domain.com hosting tutorial videos.